What's good, YouTube? It's Vibin Conquer back with another video. Do you know that even in endgames between top players, around half end in draws, often because people fail to convert endgames or small advantages into the endgame? Mastering chess endgames is a crucial skill you need to learn, and in today's video, I will help you learn 5 top endgames that will improve your chess instantly. If you learned anything in this video, please make sure to like and subscribe and turn post notifications on so you don't miss any future videos. Without further delay, let's get right into the video. For this endgame, it's not too hard to master. The one key thing I need to know and remember is that you always need to keep your queen a knight away from the king, and I'll show what that means here. I'll just start off by going here, left moves here, here, here. Now you move your queen a knight away to knight away, see? And then black can do anything. Let's just make him go here. Now you can go here. Let's go here again. Here, here, here. And if black ever goes to this rank, you can usually just go here. This is completely winning because you just walk your king up, like I mean not right here, and then you can checkmate with your queen easily, like on the back rank or something. So let's get rid of that. I'd say black goes here. Then you want to go here, here, here. Then black is actually forced to go to the back rank. Once they do that, you can go here. And then, yep, now you can just easily checkmate that right there. And there you have it for the queen and king versus queen endgame. Moving on, we have the rook and king versus king endgame. This endgame is pretty simple as well, but you need to remember a couple things. So, for example, let's have it be white's move, and white will probably go here. Uh, I will go there. For the rook endgame, we just want to make sure you're trying to get the king all the way to the 8th rank or the 1st rank. And with your rook, so you want your rook like being here, king being there. So then you can easily just walk your king up. Like you can easily just walk your king up all the way here and checkmate right there. That's the primary strategy for the rook endgame, and I'll show you how to do that. So right here, walk the king up, he moves. Then for this, if you keep walking your king like this is what will happen. So eventually just attack the rook and you have to move. So to save that, I actually go here. And if black goes here, you can just check. I mean, not checkmate, but move them to a different rank, which they don't want. So instead, black will probably go here. And you just keep forcing them. You keep forcing them to go to the same 2 squares up from you, which they have to here. And then you just keep doing the same side strategy. So yeah, for example, here. And then you do this again. You have to remember to do that, not wait, they'll save time. And then, yeah, same strategy always works. There's also a simple way to do this, but I usually like to do this way because it's easier to remember. So, yeah, just keep. Yeah, there's a simple way to do this. But this way is actually easier to remember. It's good for beginners that are first learning chess. I still use it, and I'm like almost an advanced player. So then black is forced to go there. You want to move your rook here, like we said. And this happens, and then, yep, this is just mate. For our next endgame, we have how to draw king and pawn versus king. This also is pretty simple. All you need to do is make sure that your king is like either right here or right here, like 2 squares away from the pawn. It doesn't get like make sure not to go move your king like over there, over there, over there, like anywhere besides where the pawn is. I'll show what that means. So you have to go back. Just always go straight back. Never to the side. Just straight back. Then the king, let's say, moves here. Then you always want to have opposition with the king, which opposition, if you don't know what it is, that's where the kings are right here and here. So they're like 2 squares apart from each other. You always want to have opposition. Let's say just here. Now you just go back, opposition, back, opposition. This may look like it's almost winning, but it's actually not, because in order to in order to stand in the pawn, black must go here, and then you can then stalemate because your king can't move anywhere. And then also if black tries to go here or something, then you just easily take that pawn and it's a draw. Okay, for our fourth endgame, we have this is called learning the square. The square is so the pawn can go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that way, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, it's 6 and then 6. But on this actually be black can catch the king if it was black's move, but it's white's move. So now it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you just keep doing this. This is the square. If you did not know what that is, it's important to learn. I think I did it wrong, but it'd be like this. Sorry about that. It'd be like this, and then black's king is not in the square, so therefore it can't catch his pawn. You can easily just do this without calculating. For example, black tries to catch the pawn, but it's too late, and then you just easily promote to a queen, and then you know how to promote with queen and king now because we just learned that. And then the last one I have today is when you're in this sort of endgame where it's like pawns are like pawns are all locked up on this side. What you actually want to do if you're the one with the extra pawn right here or something like that, what you actually want to do is you can actually just push this, then by particular opposition, you can just go over here. If black ever tries to just keep going with you, then you can just push this pawn, and black must take it, otherwise you'll just promote the pawn. So black has to take it, and then you can easily just gobble up these pawns as the following. And then also you start how to win with 3 pawns. Pretty much you can do whatever you want, just don't stalemate is the only thing. I'm just making random moves, but I know not to stalemate. Then, for example, that would be a stalemate because black cannot move anywhere and they're not in check. So you have to go here, and then you would have to go there, and then now you can push this pawn. And then there you have it for the greatest action for the king. Hello, I'm back. Thank you for watching this video. In today's video, you learned 5 crucial skills to help take your chess to the next level. If you learned anything new or enjoyed today's video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and also share out to your friends so they don't miss out on anything. It was a blast being here. I'm Byron Conquer, and I'm out.